Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. I appreciate you stopping by. I did not do a planning video for last week only because this is Christmas week this week, and just really, yes, I have plans and have had plans, but it just would be too hard to plan anything just because it's like, well, I'm out of school. I really like to plan for weeks that I'm in school or working, essentially. So, but I have a special unboxing, and this is like, I have not opened this box yet. This is from Pression, and I've ordered a B6 planner as my memory planner for 2021. And I got it in today. I'm so excited. So let's do this unboxing together. Okay, first of all, I love his design. I love the marble. So fantastic. Okay, here we go. I have not opened this yet. So, oh, that's bent. That's weird. Okay, my invoice, let's get that out of there. So, this came with it. This is a card for him. A thank you card. This is for, it looks like Jasenia's Printables. Is that? Yep, it looks like Jasenia's Printables, and then Annie Plans Printables, which I use both of those different things this year, or the last, couple months. I haven't been using any of their printables. I've been using some that I found on Etsy, but either way, great resources. It looks like he included kind of a sampler page, it looks like, with some hollow foil. That's a yellow. It's like a bright yellow. It's on like a vinyl paper, which I don't love vinyl, but that's okay. Okay, this paper got a little messed up in the mail. All right, here we go for my 2021 memory planner, which, trust me, I will make sure that I include you guys on this journey. I got a B6 planner, and it's empty. So it's a B6 planner where all 7 days are on 1 week, and I'm assuming the printables come from Jasenia or Annie Plans. I don't know. So to start, I specially designed the cover with a picture. It says Prince Family 2021 because essentially when I memory plan, it's my family. So all of these tabs, look at all the tabs. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Kind of cool. But this first one is not, or maybe it's the last one that's not something. I don't know. Then I got to choose which tabs I wanted, and I chose the marble that he uses. Again, this is a vinyl, so that's kind of cool. I'm gonna have to print off, or maybe I have some where I can put each of the months. Okay, so let's get into it. This first one, it comes with a blank month, and then it jumps right into the week. So I really like this. It would essentially be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I wish that like a Saturday was a fuller day, but it's okay. I mean, I picked this specifically because I knew that like my weekends, I do a lot of things. I make a lot of memories, but what I can do is I can always design this for myself, or alter it for myself. So, and then at the back of each month, it has some grid, and I don't know what that would be used for. You could use this for lists, I guess, for budgeting if you wanted to. So each of these are the same. Now let's jump to the back. And, oh, it just looks like I have 13 months. That's interesting. Right? So that's 1 month, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah. So yeah, kind of interesting that there's 13 months. especially with like each month having so many weeks in it. You have to think like most months, let's say this is January 2021. January 2021, the first I think is like a Friday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a day. So, and that one day, you're going to do it in something else. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then this. So it's kind of interesting. He probably has more than 52 weeks in here, but that's okay. I mean, I'm super excited to get going on this. I saw Andrea from Scribble Prints Go do like kind of like a mock spread of using her kit, but you don't have to use like a full kit. Like for Saturday and Sunday, you don't have to use a box on those because honestly, why would you want to take up all that space? So instead, you use your full boxes like here, and then use Saturday and Sunday to fill in all the things that you did. So yeah. But I'm super excited to get going on this. I think I'm going to start next week, only because the first is on a Friday. So, I am going to film. I'm wondering if I should, I think I'll film like, Sherry from, what's her name? I think it's Sherry from... Okay, so yeah, it's Sherry from Planning Peep. I really like how she memory plans by day, and when she lays down a full box, she doesn't lay it like in a specific location. She lays it where she thinks it would go, or if it needs to go. If it's a busy day, then she might not do a full box. She also is not afraid to cut full boxes down, and she's not afraid to put an icon over a full box if it's decorative. So yeah, I think I'll do my memory planning like her, and I will start next week on Monday, and I will write everything down, and then I'll make sure that I film my memory spread so that you guys can see how I'm using the B6. So I hope you like this video. I'm sorry if I stumbled over anything. I like that it has both on each side. Sorry if I stumbled over my words or anything, but again, this is just like a raw opinion of getting this B6. I've been like stalking it in the mail. I was so excited to get it. And plus it's kind of late for me, 8:15, and it's the 23rd, so naturally I'm on like this Christmas high and low. So yeah, if you like this video, I hope you subscribe and like it. Come back for more videos. Make sure that if there's anything that you did particularly like, then you leave a comment below. I love the comments. I respond to every single comment, and I just love that there are people that keep coming around. So thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have a wonderful week. Peace out.